Hey everyone, welcome to my 30-day vegan strength training challenge. I wanted to see if I could build muscle while sticking to a strict plant-based diet. Could I really pack on muscle with no animal protein? Let's find out. First, I tackled common myths. People claim vegan diets lack protein and that building muscle is impossible without meat, but beans, lentils, tofu, there's plenty of protein if you plan wisely. Even the usual concern about creatine and BCAAs in vegan diets wasn't a deal breaker. With the right food choices and supplements, I found my body could still recover and grow effectively. My daily routine centered on compound movements, squats, deadlifts, bench press, plus a bit of cardio to keep me agile. I fueled up on plant-based proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats, staying hydrated at all times. Meal prep was key. Focusing on calorie-dense foods and balancing my macros ensured I met my energy needs, even on rest days. The biggest surprise was the sheer variety and flavor of vegan meals. Protein-packed smoothies and hearty lentil stews kept me excited about every meal. Sure, I had to remain mindful about getting enough calories, but once I nailed my strategy, I never felt deprived. A major highlight was hitting a personal record on my squat. That moment proved I could smash strength goals on a vegan diet, boosting my confidence and driving me to push harder. By the end of the 30 days, I'd learned the importance of mindful meal planning, consistent training, and strategic rest. Best of all, I proved it's entirely possible to build muscle and thrive on plants. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and if you're curious about more vegan fitness tips, check out my other videos on plant-based meal prep for athletes. Don't forget to like and share with your loved ones. Keep training hard, and I'll see you next time.